Folding treadmills are innovative fitness machines designed for users seeking a convenient and space-saving workout solution. These compact exercise devices feature a unique folding mechanism that allows them to be easily stowed away when not in use, making them ideal for individuals with limited space in their homes or apartments. Typically equipped with a sturdy frame and a motorized belt, folding treadmills offer a versatile and efficient cardiovascular workout. Users can adjust the speed and incline to suit their fitness level and goals, making them suitable for beginners and advanced athletes alike. Many models come with various workout programs and heart rate monitoring capabilities to enhance the exercise experience. The convenience of folding treadmills extends to their portability and storage. When not in use, the treadmill's running deck can be folded vertically, reducing its footprint significantly. This feature makes them easy to transport, store in a closet, or slide under a bed, ensuring that your living space remains uncluttered. Whether you're looking to maintain a regular fitness routine or embark on a weight loss journey, a folding treadmill offers a practical and space-efficient way to achieve your health and fitness goals. Hi! Stay up to date with market-leading folding treadmill analyses, research, and reviews. Access the latest insights on top electric griddle options through in-depth assessments and research findings. In our extensive evaluation, the XTERRA folding treadmill has solidified its position as a formidable contender, ranking 5th in our assessments. It boasts an impressive speed range of up to 12 miles per hour and offers 12 different levels of incline, all powered by a smooth and quiet 3.0 HP motor. This treadmill is built with a strong emphasis on quality construction and premium performance, making it a standout choice. The XTERRA treadmill features a user-friendly 6.5-inch bright blue LCD display with 30 preset workout programs, adding variety and challenge to your exercise routine. Bluetooth FTMS capabilities enable users to connect to popular third-party fitness apps for an enhanced workout experience. Additionally, the handlebar-mounted speed and incline controls, XTERRA soft deck cushioning, reading rack, built-in fan, and cup holders ensure exceptional comfort and convenience, making your workouts longer and more enjoyable. Designed with versatility in mind, the treadmill offers a spacious 20-inch by 60-inch belt and a generous 350 pounds user weight limit, accommodating a wide range of users. Its lift assist, safe drop, and transport wheels make it easy and safe to store when not in use. The preset speed and incline console buttons provide quick and convenient control over your workouts. To monitor your heart rate, you have the option of using a heart rate receiver or handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For added safety, a tethered safety magnet clip attaches to your waistband, stopping the unit in case of a fall and preventing unsupervised use. The XTERRA folding treadmill combines performance, comfort, and safety in a well-rounded fitness solution. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Monsports has firmly established itself as a significant player in the world of folding treadmills, securing an impressive 5th place in our assessments. The treadmill's powerful motor ensures a quiet and comfortable workout environment, minimizing disturbances for others in your vicinity. With its 5-layer running belt, you can enjoy a non-slip and shock-absorbing experience, enhancing safety and comfort during your workouts. Additionally, the larger running belt accommodates a wider range of users, promoting inclusivity. Transporting the treadmill is a breeze thanks to its convenient transport wheels, making it easy to move and store as needed. The LED display provides clear and concise information, including running time, distance, speed, and calorie metrics, allowing you to monitor your workout progress effortlessly. You can control the treadmill using the included remote, or utilize the console buttons for functions like on-off, acceleration, deceleration, and preset programs. For added convenience and entertainment, the treadmill offers Bluetooth connectivity, enabling you to link it with your smartphone to play music while you exercise. MonSports combines performance, safety, and user-friendliness in their folding treadmill, making it a noteworthy choice for fitness enthusiasts seeking a reliable and enjoyable workout experience. XTERRA has undeniably earned its status as a top-tier player in the realm of folding treadmills, securing a well-deserved third place in our rankings. XTERRA Fitness presents an all-encompassing fitness solution with its TR folding treadmill, catering to a diverse range of workout preferences and goals. Whether you aspire to boost your health or achieve peak fitness, these treadmills have you covered. The TR150 and TR260 treadmills are engineered with robust frames and potent motors, ensuring they can keep up with your fitness journey no matter how far you push yourself. Their widescreen LCD displays provide clear and comprehensive information, including heart rate, speed, distance, time, and calorie metrics, making it easy to track your progress. Conveniently located hand pulse sensors on the handlebars help you stay in your desired training zone, enhancing the effectiveness of your workouts. XTERRA's extra soft deck cushioning technology is designed to maximize impact absorption, minimizing stress on your joints and delivering a more comfortable exercise experience. Furthermore, the treadmill consoles incorporate accessory holders to keep your essentials such as your phone, water bottle, or remote control within easy reach. After completing your workout, the folding feature allows you to effortlessly stow the deck away, and the built-in transport wheels make storage a hassle-free process. XTERRA's folding treadmills combine performance, comfort, and convenience, making them a formidable choice for fitness enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. DeerRun has unequivocally earned a remarkable second-place position in our evaluations, reaffirming their steadfast commitment to innovation within the folding treadmill industry. Their under-desk treadmill boasts a versatile speed range of 0.6 to 7.5 miles per hour, designed to adapt to various exercise preferences and environments. When the riser is folded, it functions as an under-desk treadmill with a speed range of 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour, while raising the handrail allows for running speeds up to 0.6 to 7.5 miles per hour. Conveniently, a remote control facilitates speed adjustments and treadmill stoppage. The treadmill is powered by a potent 3.0 HP motor that operates ultra-quietly, emitting noise levels below 60 decibels, making it suitable for both home and office use. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, it accommodates diverse fitness needs. Additionally, the treadmill integrates with a smart app, enabling users to record exercise data and engage with fellow users. The LED display provides real-time tracking of exercise metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned, ensuring users remain informed even without the app. The treadmill's 5-layer anti-slip shock absorption system enhances safety and comfort, safeguarding joints and muscles during workouts. DeerRun's 3-in-1 under-desk treadmill offers versatile modes, requires no assembly, and features transport wheels for effortless mobility. This treadmill is designed to meet the needs of diverse users, making it a practical choice for both home and office settings. XTERRA stands as a symbol of unwavering commitment to excellence, consistently demonstrating its dedication to innovation through an impressive array of folding treadmill solutions. The TR6.6 treadmill exemplifies this commitment by offering top-tier construction and premium performance. Its robust heavy-duty treadmill belt and heavy-gauge welded steel frame ensure long-lasting durability. The TR6.6 treadmill provides a heart-pounding workout experience with a speed range of up to 12 miles per hour and 15 levels of incline, all powered by a smooth and quiet 3.0 HP motor. Monitoring your progress is effortless with the easy-to-read bright blue 7.5-inch LCD, which displays essential workout feedback, including program profile, time, speed, pace, distance, calories, incline, and pulse. With 7 preset, 1 manual, 2 user, and 2 heart rate controlled programs, you'll find ample workout variation to stay engaged and motivated day after day. The treadmill also offers preset speed and incline console buttons for quick and easy adjustments during your workouts. Extra soft deck cushioning enhances comfort and impact absorption, making your workouts more enjoyable. The treadmill's ergonomically placed handlebar-mounted speed and incline controls allow for seamless setting changes while you exercise. The user-friendly console includes thoughtful features like a reading rack, built-in fan, and cup holders. Catering to a wide range of users, the treadmill boasts a large 20-inch by 60-inch belt and a 350 pounds user weight limit. When not in use, the lift assist, safe drop, and transport wheels simplify the folding and storage process. For heart rate monitoring, the treadmill offers handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors and a tethered safety magnet clip, providing safety and peace of mind during your workouts. XTERRA's TR6.6 folding treadmill is designed to deliver performance, comfort, and safety for all fitness enthusiasts. We deeply appreciate your valuable insights and active involvement in our mission to promote folding treadmills. Your expertise is crucial to our success, and we genuinely thank you for your continuous engagement and support.